here in beautiful Harrisburg. We're taking a look at a property on Logan Street. We own that beautiful purple one right over there. Here for the refi appraisal. So here we definitely got some love on the front that needs to be worked on. That south, it's all jacked up. I'm sure there's some more stuff up top there, some more fascia damage, gutters. Yeah, no wonder this thing's not selling. Let's take a look on the inside. Down in the basement here at 2233, water line's not hooked up. Pretty sure we got some evidence of water throughout the house. This HVAC is, well, you can tell, water tank. Here's a fun area. Pretty sure that's like a sinkhole or something there. Either way, we're not buying this place. So now we're standing inside. We got some daylight coming through the front door. Not a big issue. That's my man Jose trying to run out of the picture. The floor vents should be for ceiling, which is why they're crushed in. Yeah, so there's a giant sink in the ground right there. Another shoddy vent. Cabinets look nice. Out back, needs a lot of soffit work. Right upstairs, we got definitely a water leak up there. Bathroom actually looks in pretty good shape. Definitely needs a new toilet. And a little back room here. Kind of dead space, but could use for something. More daylight coming through the window here. Look at this fun mess here. Oh, that's pretty. And the trees basically falling into the house. Check out the rest of the bedrooms. Pretty good sized bedrooms. This one's not bad. Another good sized bedroom. Tiny closet, but fitting for the area. Needs a new roof here. Let's head to the 4th level. Up here, we got a flat roof. Can't tell the condition, obviously, but that's how big those trees are. Those things definitely got to go, but they're in the neighbor's yard. So here, I would do a big closet here and make this the bedroom. Good size space. Nice and clean up here. Need some new window screens, but yeah, this thing, I can easily tell now why it's not selling. And that is a wrap here at Logan Street.